Well, look what we got today. You don't see these every day. They don't like coming up above ground, but this is an eastern mole. Like I said, you don't see them every day. And for those of y'all that ain't got them in y'all's part of the country, it's what they look like. Big old claws in the front. I mean, mouthful of teeth. I don't know how that's going to show up on camera, but they got plenty of teeth. No eyeballs on them. And this one is unique because it's actually got some color mutations on it. It's that little orange stripe going up and down the face, and look at that stripe on the belly. That is highly uncommon. I've never seen it or heard of it, to be honest with you. But either way, we're going to skin this, we're going to cook this. Now, how we got it, I told a guy a long time ago that I was going to try to eat a mole. And he ended up, his dog caught it, ain't going to lie to you, and he brought it to me. Ain't nothing wrong with it from the outside, so that's good on the hide. But anyways, what got this started was me and another YouTuber, McGee Homestead Adventures. We were sitting there trying to contemplate what all animals that we hadn't ate. And pretty much the only thing that me and him hadn't ate was a mole. And we never heard of nobody doing it, so that's fixing to be broken. This might be the only one on YouTube even. So we're fixing to get this thing skinned out. I'm not going to show the skinning in the video because, you know, YouTube hates people like that. So I'll make a separate video on the skinning, but I'm definitely going to cook it in this video. So we'll get back with you when that's over. And there it is right there. Believe it or not, this is the back end, even though it's significantly smaller than the front, but I guess most of their movement is dependent on the front because they use it to dig with. Like, this thing's ripped up here. These muscles are unguarded. Like, even when I skin him, you could just barely move these muscles. And his arms up here is where his back legs don't hardly do nothing. But either way, all in all, we trimmed away most of the bloodshot there, so that's what it looks like when it's done. Let's go fry this thing up. Now let's see what this turned out like. Now this was a quick fry, so I feel like it's gonna be tougher than it should be, but I don't think it's because of the mole. I think it's because of just me doing it to it. Let's try some of this belly meat right here. So far, so good. But that's some of my seasoned batter I don't tell everybody about, and that's mostly what I'm tasting on the sides here. Try a little piece of this leg. It actually got a really good dark meat to it. It's almost exactly like the dark meat on a chicken or whatever. Hopefully I'll see a little close up of that right there. It's actually pretty good. I'm shocked. What little bit of it there is. Trying to figure out a good utilization for this because the meat ain't bad. I'm kind of tickled with it. I ain't gonna lie to you. Tastes real good. There just ain't much of it. All right, now these shoulders hopefully will have some type of good meat yield on them. We're gonna find out. I'm surprised the meat's actually pretty daggum good on these things. Actually, just ain't much of it. It's still a dish I think you'd be better off putting in a pot. It's actually really good though. But either way, I still think it's a dish you'd be better off putting in a pot and trying to boil as much nutrients out of it as you could. So it might be good like a stew type thing or something. Oh man, that's really good. Holy crap. And I'm not starving this time, dang it. I'm off that little challenge, so. I just wish these things was about 10 pounds. Make it a little more worth it. Well, I said you don't get a whole lot off of them, but it is good. Like I said, there just ain't much to it. Is it worth it? I'd say probably not. Like I said, that's a lot of work for basically nothing. But it does taste good. I can't believe how good that tastes. I figured it'd be real earthy and stuff, it being in the dirt all the time, but no, it's actually pretty good tasting. That's crazy to think. Crazy to admit, but I mean, it really does taste good. Would I recommend it? No, not just unless you're just curious how it tastes or whatever. But either way, as far as I know, I'm probably the only person on YouTube that has put up a mole video. So if y'all don't mind, share the crap out of this video. Because, I mean, come on, this got to be the only one on YouTube, right? It's got to be rare. Spread the love, if you will. But either way, y'all have a good day. We'll holler at y'all later.